Wanyonga simama hapo.
It was a well-orchestrated scandal spanning from Kenya to some fishy address in Liverpool. A move that was well knit to cover the money trails as key government officials conspired to mint billions of shillings in shoddy security deals that later became the Anglo Leasing scandal. Part of the money was later said to have been wired back to Treasury by some ghost figures. And to turn tables, the Kibaki government tried tracking key suspects claimed to have hatched the scheme, but the investigation stumbled midway. In trying to resolve the riddle, the Jubilee government promised to close their thorny chapter, and finally 7 key suspects who once served in key positions in the previous regimes have been arraigned in court to answer to the Anglo Leasing scandal. Kisii Senator Obure, who once served as finance minister, was among those who were charged and cut together with former postmaster-general Francis Chahonyo and former permanent secretaries Mwangi and Sammy Kyungu. Former Financial Secretary Samuel Bundotich and former state officials Joseph Magari and David Onyonka all face 3 counts, which include abuse of office, conspiracy to commit economic crime charges that they all denied. Kisii Senator Obure, who once served as finance minister, was among those who were charged in court, together with former postmaster-general Francis Chahonyo and former permanent secretaries Mwangi and Sammy Kyungu. Former Financial Secretary Samuel Bundotich and former state officials Joseph Magari and David Onyonka all face 3 counts, which include abuse of office, conspiracy to commit economic crime charges that they all denied. The 7 were released on a cash bail of 1 million shillings each. Chief Magistrate Hanan Dungu, however, issued an international arrest warrant against 2 foreigners linked to the scandal, Brian Mills and Bradley Backenfield. The 7 have been directed to deposit their passports within the next 14 days and not to leave Kenya's jurisdiction without court consent. The case is scheduled for the 18th of March 2015 for fixing of a hearing date. The Anglo Leasing scandal dates back to 1997 when Kenya sought to have tamper-proof passports. And to date, it is former Home Affairs Permanent Secretary Sylvester Mwaliko who has been successfully prosecuted and fined 3 million shillings in connection to the scandal.